In this tutorial, we define and explore the properties of polygons using the Desmos geometry tools. A polygon is a closed figure with a distinct number of straight sides. This is polygon ABCDE. The number of sides determine the type of polygon. This table shows the different polygons and their names. Notice that this list includes triangles and quadrilaterals. So you've already been working with polygons with your work on triangles and quadrilaterals. A regular polygon has congruent sides and congruent angles. Let's look at some examples of regular and irregular polygons. Here is an example of an irregular triangle and a regular triangle. This is an example of an irregular quadrilateral and a regular one. This is an example of an irregular pentagon and a regular pentagon. This is an example of an irregular hexagon and a regular hexagon. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon depends on the number of sides. A triangle has a total of 180 degrees for the interior angles. A quadrilateral has 360 degrees. A pentagon has 540 degrees. This table summarizes the relationship between the number of sides and the sum of the interior angles. Make a note of the formula for an n-sided figure. The formula is based on the number of triangles that can be formed from one of the vertices of the polygon. Let's explore polygons using the Desmos geometry tools. The simplest way to create a polygon is to use the Polygon tool. Let's start by constructing a triangle. Click once and move to a different part of the screen. Click again. Move to a third point. Click again. Finally, click on the original point. You should see a triangle. Try to get your triangle to look like this. Now let's construct a quadrilateral. Once again, select the Polygon tool. Click once and move to a different part of the screen. Click again. Move to a third point. Click again. Move to a fourth point. Click again. Finally, click on the original point. You should see a quadrilateral. Repeat this process to create a hexagon. In all cases, you'll see that each of the polygons is an irregular polygon. Is there a way of creating regular polygons? Yes, but we have a separate video for that. For now, let's look at the properties of these polygons. Measure the angles for each of the polygons. Use the Angle tool and click on the 3 points that define an angle. Do this for all the angles of each polygon. Next, measure the side lengths of each polygon. Click on the Selection tool, click on a polygon side, and click on the Label option. Do this for all the sides of the polygons. Validate that each of these polygons is an irregular polygon. Also, verify that the sum of the angle measures for each polygon is as expected.